Welcome to Outsourced Marketing's SEO case studies. Today we'll explore proven results from our website design, content build-out, and ongoing SEO programs. Our first case study is of a home remodeling business, and it demonstrates the power of a complete website redesign combined with strategic SEO. Through careful keyword optimization and content strategy, we achieved significant improvements in search engine rankings. The keyword position history shows a dramatic shift, with more keywords moving into top positions, resulting in substantial increases in organic traffic and qualified leads. ReCraft Home Remodeling has continued to experience an increasing flow of high-quality leads from ideal customers for high-value home remodeling projects. Next, let's look at a B2B example. We worked with a cutting-edge touchless monitoring company serving manufacturers and electrical utilities to enhance their online visibility. Our comprehensive SEO services focused on industry-specific keywords and technical optimization. The results speak for themselves, with consistent growth in keyword rankings across multiple position categories and improved SERP feature appearances, providing them with exponential growth for their online visibility. This case study showcases the SEO work for Pearly for Pets, a multi-location pet services brand. By combining SEO best practices with full on-page and off-page SEO optimizations and content creation, we created a foundation for long-term organic growth. The data reveals steady improvement in keyword positions and a notable increase in organic traffic over the campaign period, and has dramatically increased their visibility in the marketplace and created a higher level of leads and competitive market share. Now let's look at the trades at an electrical contractor. Our complete website rebuild, SEO plan, and ongoing SEO and content program for this client demonstrates the value of consistent optimization. Through regular content updates and technical refinements, we achieved progressive improvements in search rankings and ultimately in high-quality leads. The chart illustrates how sustained effort translates into measurable gains in visibility and traffic, resulting in business growth. This next case study is exceptional. We helped a dental clinic dramatically grow their practice by attracting a consistent flow of new patients. This website rebuild project focused on both aesthetics, engagement, and search performance. Our team implemented a comprehensive SEO strategy alongside the new design, resulting in improved keyword rankings and increased organic traffic. The performance metrics show clear upward trends across all key indicators. In fact, the growth of this dental practice was so profound that they were acquired by a large dental brand. This next case study looks at a home services business in the windows and doors sector. This highly successful engagement initially involved optimizing an existing website and providing ongoing SEO support. Phase 2 involved a complete website overhaul with integrated SEO that took results to a whole new level. The results demonstrate how proper technical implementation and content optimization work together to drive search visibility. It also demonstrates in this case that a full website rebuild was required to help this client experience the next level of results. Rankings improved consistently, leading to higher traffic volumes and better lead generation. Now let's look at a case study in the legal industry. For this law firm client, we executed a strategic website redesign paired with targeted SEO efforts. The keyword ranking analysis reveals significant improvements in search positions, with more terms reaching page 1. This translated directly into increased website traffic and client inquiries. You can also see that a secondary growth phase was created following an additional website build-out project that helped them achieve even higher growth and online visibility and competitive advantage. Our final case study features a dental practice that benefited from our ongoing SEO and content program. Through consistent optimization and fresh content creation, we achieved remarkable improvements in search engine rankings. It also shows how we are never satisfied with great growth. We're always striving for exponential growth. The results show increased visibility, higher traffic, and most importantly, more qualified leads for the practice. These case studies demonstrate Outsourced Marketing's proven track record in delivering measurable SEO results across diverse industries. Thank you for reviewing our success stories. If you've tried SEO before but haven't experienced these results, it's time you did. Call us or visit our website and book an appointment. It's time you experienced what a website done right and SEO can do for you.